Hi Adyan, how are you? How are you doing in school?
I'm doing good.
Last year is not coming in today.
Oh, okay.
Mm, do you have the list of topics that they are covering in school?
Uh, no, but on Friday we had a quiz on slopes.
How did you do?
I think I did good.
Okay. Keep me posted about your grades whenever possible, right?
Wait, can you repeat that?
Keep me posted about your grades. How are you doing?
Yeah, I think I have a 90 something in math.
Nice to know. Hi Shripad, how are you?
I am doing good.
Okay. So you're studying algebra at school, right?
No, I'm actually doing on-level math. Since I transferred districts, I didn't have a chance to do the CBE exam for algebra
Okay.
or didn't do the prerequisite. I don't know how to pronounce that.
I
So
see.
I wanted to try out for this class so I could have some knowledge to do the CBE.
Make them. Sure. So let's see. Okay. How about today? Okay, let me review some of the topics that we did. Last week, what did we do, Adyan? Let me see. You remember what we did last week, Adyan?
You remember I wasn't there last week?
Oh yeah, did you see the recording?
My mom said that you didn't she couldn't find it.
You have to go to the proper channel, proper time. Usually you will have it.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we did 341 to 351, I'm seeing. 341 to 351 in the book, right? So basically 341 to 351 in the book. Na, okay. We didn't cover transformations yet, right? Did we do transformations?
Yeah, we did it.
So let's go ahead and do the solving linear systems today.
Um,
Okay, let me go. Yeah, give me 1 minute, okay? Mm, okay, let me go ahead and tell you what I'm going to do first, and then we'll see. Okay, so this should be pretty graspable to both of you. Okay, for some of it we have done it earlier. So let me share my screen. You're not able to see my screen, guys. Shripad, are you able to see my screen? Shripad, are you able to see my
Yeah,
screen?
I can see the screen.
Okay, so the way the class works is you can reply in chat, you can ask questions whenever the class is going on. Make sense?
Do I have to raise my hand for questions?
Oh, good question. If you have a question, there is a raise hand button as well. Immediately you can click on it, I'll stop. Got it?
Okay.
Shall we go ahead? Shall we go ahead, Amma?
Yeah, we can go.
Oh, how about this one? Wait. How about this one? Suppose, what is a linear system? Do you know to find a linear equation? Do you know how to find whether an equation is linear or not? That we have discussed with Adi and Lasya already. But Shripad, do you know how to find whether an equation is a linear equation or not?
Whether a line is straight and the line is proportional.
True. So that is a linear equation, right? So is this a linear equation? Is this a linear equation? Is this a linear equation? Do you know?
Yeah.
Adyan, you can contribute as well, Adyan.
uh,
Adyan, is this a linear equation?
yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
What do you think, Shripad?
Yeah, I think all of them are linear equation.
Not really, guys. X power C, y and x should be on different sides and x power should be 1, guys. Here, do you see x is in the denominator? So if something is in the denominator, if it goes to the numerator, it will have a -1 as a power. So this is
Yeah.
not a linear equation. Make sense?
Yeah, I was gonna say I was like confused on the third one, so I was gonna say no, but I
Okay. So how about this? Is this a
Hold on,
linear equation?
I'll be right back. Okay.
Is this a linear equation, Adyan?
yeah. No, wait. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think.
You know how to graph it?
Don't you put any number you want and then you get the y value and then graph the based on the points you got?
Yes. Can you graph it and show me? Do you know how to graph any equation given Shripad?
No, not really.
Okay, so what do? I will draw a table. X is always my input, Y is always my output. I will assign my own values for X. -2, 1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. I chose two negative values, two positive values, and 0. Now I plug this in. What is Y when X is -2, Shripad? What is Y when X is -2?
When x is minus 4,
Good job. -1,
uh, 1.
0, 1, 4. Now I plot this as in a graph. -2 is a 4. You see it? -1 is a 1, 0 is a 0, 1 is a 1, 2 is a 4. Do you see? Is this a linear equation?
No.
This is not a linear equation. I told you, right? The x power is 2. X power should be 1. I told you. The power of x should be 1 and y and x should be on different sides of the equation. I told you. So this is not a linear equation. Did you understand, Adyan?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna graph it and then I'll do it.
Okay, how about linear system means you are given two or more linear equations. Do you see two or more linear equations? This is called a linear system. Any questions still here? We are going to see how to solve a linear system. How do you solve a linear system? That means when there are two lines, right? You find the intersection point of the line. Finding the intersection point of the two lines. Finding the intersection point of the two lines is solving the linear equation. Make sense? How do we do it? Can you graph this graph, this graph? Do you have a graph paper with you directly? Do you have graph sheets?
I don't have a graph sheet nor a graph paper.
You have graph, okay, no problem, but you can draw ordinary graph. Have a notebook, pencil, draw the graph.
I have a sheet of paper.
Yeah, yeah. So you can graph these two first and show me how the graph looks like. Graph this line, graph this line. I told you how to graph any equation, right? You find the XY points, put a table, find the XY points, plot it and show me how the graph looks like.
With like x and y can be any values, but it has to equal 5.
I told, yeah, X value can be any. X is your input, can be any value.
Okay.
Go.
Why is there only 2 people in this class?
Get it? Yeah, can you show me the graph, how you are doing it? I would like to see.
I don't know if this is correct or not, but just what I thought the graph would look like.
I want to see the table as well, Ma. I want to see the
Table?
table. Yeah,
Oh,
where
the
is the
table?
table? Where are the points? You have to go step by step.
Okay.
I'd like to see your table first.
Miss Priya, I did the first question and I got this. Oh, wait, let me unblur.
Yeah, if you blur, how will I know?
Alright.
Yeah. One, I'm not able to see. You have to put. Yeah, wait. Yeah, Adyan, you have drawn only the first graph,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
But that graph doesn't seem right.
Wait, so like,
Graph doesn't seem right. Adyan, are you drawing the table with the values?
Yeah.
Where
I put it at like the side. Oh shoot. Yeah.
What are the values you have written? Can you bring it? Yeah.
I put so basically x minus I put x minus 5 equal to y because I thought you said x and y can't be on the same side.
That is
So
true. But how did you put it? You have to follow rules, right, Adyan? X plus y equal to 5. Then how did you put the rules?
I put x plus -5 equal to y.
No. You have to subtract x on both sides. It becomes y equal to negative x.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Go ahead, redo the problem. I'll wait for.
Okay.
so like, so y minus x, y equals negative x plus 5. So do I just start with -5?
Tell me.
Do I just start with -5?
You can start with any value that you want.
But I have to subtract 5 with it.
Whatever value you choose, you're going to plug into the x. That's all. You see
Oh,
what I mean, Shripad?
okay.
Sure. You do your own tables, guys. If you make a mistake, I'm here to help you. You can check with me if you want to. Auntie, I got this point, x comma y. Is it right? Like that, you can check.
And then I add 5.
Yes.
Okay.
See, minus of the x value plus 5. Please see the equation. You have to negate the x value and add.
Miss Priya, is this right?
Tell me your values, table values.
So for one, -1, it's 4. -2, it's 3, and then -3.
-1, it's 4. Is that right?
Oh wait,
Priya,
That does not seem right, Shripad. What are your table values? Tell me, Shripad, table values.
I did a -3 equals -3 to 2, -2 to 3.
Wait, Amma, you both are making the same mistake. If x is -3, can we plug this into the equation? If x equal to -3, my equation is this. You have to go step by step. Now, instead of x, you're going to plug in -3. So y equal to minus -3 plus 5. What happens here? The
The 3
negative
becomes positive.
3 plus 5, so y becomes 8. So
Oh,
this
okay.
side is 8. Now the same thing for you, Adyan. If you substitute x equal to -1, it will become a 6. You need to be very careful.
yeah.
Do the table and draw the graph and tell me. Can I help you guys? I want to see the graph. For the first graph, show me. Then only I'll be convinced that you know rather than waiting for long. Even the first one, if you do, show me the graph.
I don't know if I'm making the same mistake, but
Doesn't matter, Ma. Doesn't matter at all. Is that right, you think?
I don't think so.
Okay, so I will wait. Slowly draw. If you draw one, you'll know everything after that.
Hold on. Yeah. I think I got my, I made the same mistake again. Okay.
Again, I want to see the graph for you as well. Take your time, doesn't matter for me.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think I expanded my values. Wait, I'm gonna do different values real quick. Okay.
Miss Priya, is this right?
Ah, that seems to be right. Good.
Does that seem to be right?
Not really. What are the points you did?
I did 1 for x, and that equals to
What was y?
1 to 9.
How 1 to 9? If you substitute 1, what would happen in the equation? Y will be equal to minus x plus 5. Substitute 1 in the equation. What happens? Y will be equal to what?
6,
4, right? Minus 1 plus 5.
4, 9. Wait, could you repeat that again?
The equation is y equal to minus x plus 5, correct?
Yeah.
You said you put x equal to 1. When you put x equal to 1, the minus sign is there, right? You'll have to use that. Minus 1 plus 5 is a 4.
Oh, wait, could I do the graph again?
Yeah, please. Your substitution should be proper. Adyan, you can proceed with 4x minus y equal to 10.
Okay.
Does this graph seem fine?
Yes, good job. Good job, Shripad. Very nice. Keep going with the second graph. Can I show you?
I think I can do it.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I might do it.
Yeah. First one is always hard. I understand.
So do I just make a new graph?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
You just make a new graph, meaning I make a new table. Let me do it for you on the board so that you can check against it. But I will first do the first graph only.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do the first graph in blue colors. So I'll take up 2 points as well. So my first equation is this. My graph, if I take -2, 0, 2. So if I substitute -2, then it would be 7, 0 is a 5, 2 is a 3. So -2, comma 7, 0 is a 5, 2 is a 3. That means the graph will be something like this. For the second equation, your y will be equal to 4x minus 10. So now let's say what graph I want. I'm going to draw a table.
4x, so it's 4x minus 10.
Correct. So I'm going to do the same points, maybe 2, 0, 2 minus 0, 2. You guys do. I'll wait.
So 4x minus 10, like,
Correct, Mark. Correct. So you have to substitute different x values.
and then it has to equal 10.
It doesn't have to equal 10 and all. Just plug in x value. Whatever input you have, just plug it into the equation. Find out y, fill in the table.
Okay, 4x
The
minus
the
10.
x value, you're going to plug it in here. Find the y value, fill it in here.
Miss Priya, is this right?
I want to see. Wait. Second graph. Which is the second? That seems incorrect.
It's
Adyan. Which one is your Adyan? With that equation, that graph seems incorrect.
it's this one, yeah.
Seems very incorrect.
Uh
What value did you substitute?
Oh, I switched the 10 and 4x.
Oh my goodness, redo it.
Miss Priya, is this right?
Show me. That graph, one is a -6. Can I check? Adyan, are you doing the first equation or the second equation?
Second.
Miss Priya, does it seem correct?
Yes, that seems correct. Can you show me the graph, Adyan?
Oh,
Yeah, that seems correct, Adyan. So when you think about it, what are the points you did, guys? 1 point you say, 1 point you say. Shripad, what points did you take?
I did x equals 1, and then I got y is -6.
X equal to 1 you did and y equal to -6. Correct. 1 is a -6. Good. What did you get, Adyan?
I got 3x. I put 3x values. I put 1, 2, and 3, And then for 1, I got -6. For 2, I got -2. And for 3, I got +2.
Good job. That's right. 2 comma -2 is as well correct. Good job, ma. 2 comma negative 2 has a -2. Here it has 2 has a 3. 2 has a -2 means okay. So I will draw this line as this one, right? When I draw it like this, what is the intersection point is the solution. This intersection point x comma y, right? That is
Uh-huh.
the solution to the linear system. Make sense, guys?
Mm,
You see what I mean?
Mhm.
yeah.
Okay, let me do it in a graph and show you. Sri, the equation with you, right? I'm going to share the screen. I'm going to show you in a calculator, meaning I want you to see because you should know how to do this one. So I'm going to go to Desmos, meaning Desmos graphing calculator, or I want you to buy TA84 calculators at home. Okay, what were the equations, ma? What was the first equation?
Um,
Uh,
Okay, or
y
we'll
equals
wait.
negative x plus
Okay,
5.
we'll do one thing. Y equal to negative x plus 5, right? For that,
Yeah.
what were the points? What were the points? 0, comma 5, right? 0, comma 5, correct? The second
uh-huh.
point was x equal to 5, comma 0, correct?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, can I draw the line? This is how it should look. I'll show you how to plot it. Correct?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that's my first. Second one, what is it? Second one, what
4x minus y equals 4x minus 10.
y equal to
4x minus 10.
4x minus 10. So what were the points for that? 0, comma, minus 10. The second equation was
Minus 6.
0, comma, minus 10. First, let me plot. 0, comma, minus 10. Yeah, 0, correct. 0, comma, minus 10. So it's somewhere here, right?
It's
No, just
0,
down,
0, x
down,
0.
down. 0, comma, minus 10, I cannot plot. So let me plot in something else, meaning what other
How about plot 1? 1
plot one?
minus x.
Yeah, 1 is minus 6. Nice. 1 is minus 6. The other one is? If
2
I put
equals
a
negative 2.
2 means, that's an easy one. 2 is a negative 2. Is that okay? Now, can I go ahead and plot this line? I'll plot it in a different color, ma. Let me have blue. So, I'm going to take a blue graph. Blue graph, first let me start from here. I'm going to go through this, and draw a straight line. Do you see the point of intersection, guys?
Yeah.
What is that point of intersection, you all think?
3, 3 in 25 hundredths.
3.5, comma, I am seeing as 1. 3,
3.
comma 1 or 3.5, comma 1, correct?
Wait, how is it 3? I mean,
It's not,
it's like,
that's what, see, let me draw the proper graph and see, meaning, let me show you. Minus x plus 4, right? So I can just write it as minus x plus 4, wait. Minus x plus 4. This is how you graph it, see.
I think you have to do 4x minus 10.
We'll do, ma, but the first graph seems a little incorrect. Why?
Oh no, it's minus x plus 5.
Okay, minus x plus 5. Okay, great. Oh, 5 is here, guys. That was a deal. Okay. Okay. So we have these 2 points. Okay. See, I took it as 1, 1 interval. Now let's do this properly. This and this are the points. Makes sense, guys?
Yeah.
Then the intersection point is what here? Intersection point is 2, 3, 3.5 I'm getting. 3.5, comma 1.5 I'm getting. Let's see. Let's see. Are
Oh
we
no, I
doing
think you got the other one incorrect. You
other
put
line?
0.5 as 1.
No, no, let's do the other line as well once more because the interval is a little bit of a change. Hold on.
You put 1 as
0,
0.5.
0, comma minus 10, 1, comma 1, comma, if I put 1, then it is minus 6 is correct. 2, comma minus 2. 0, comma minus 10, I can't plot, I said. 1, comma, see, 1 is this. 1, comma
Yeah.
minus 6. And then 2, comma minus 2. Oh, that's correct. So can I go ahead and draw a straight line? That's not straight. If you draw it using a scale and a pencil, it's so helpful. Still that's not correct, Amma. I'm going to draw properly. Let's see. This is better. Do you see it here?
Yeah, it's 3, 2.
No, I want to plot it again and show you how to do it in a Desmos calculator too. Let's see. So I'm going to draw the next line as g of x will be equal to what? 4x minus 10, right?
Yeah.
This is how I plot it. You have to know. See, that's the same graph. So what is the intersection point? What is the
3,
intersection point now?
3, comma 2.
3 comma
2.
2. Good job. So that is the solution to this equation. Any questions, guys? 3 comma 2 is the solution to this linear system. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
How do you check whether it is correct? Put the 3 comma 2 here. Substitute 3 in this equation. Okay. If you substitute 3 in the equation, it becomes 12 minus 10 is a 2. You got this y value. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Again, substitute 3 in this equation. Minus 3 plus 5 is a minus 2. Minus 3 plus 5 is a plus 2. 2 is the answer. Do you get it?
Yes.
That's it. That's how you check whether your answer is right. Can I give you one more question like this?
Yeah, sure.
You are going to graph it and tell me in your own house, you're going to, meaning you are going to, don't use Desmos calculator. You got it? You can do it by yourself. Can I expect you to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to give you the problem only and you're going to do it. Can we try that? Hold on. Yeah, let's try this one. Can I give you the equations, both boys?
Yeah.
Here is the equation. Do this one, graph it, find the solution for P and Q. Find the solution for P and Q. I'm going to share my notes. Yes. Find the solution for P and Q, just like you did.
So like basically P is X and Q is Y, right?
Correct, ma. That you can take it any way that you want. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Wait, Miss Priya, we're answering these questions, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So it's like 3P minus 5, right? 3 is the first one.
Yeah.
3P minus 5 and then negative 2Q plus 4.
You want me to tell the equations for you? What is the first equation you got?
The first equation is 3P minus 5.
Q will be equal to, correct. And the second one is?
Second one, I think it's negative 2Q, either like negative 2Q plus 4
Uh,
or minus 4.
you have to say for Q, right? How will you say for Q?
Oh, no. P minus 4.
P minus 4 will be equal to 2Q.
So then let's say like I have like 5 minus 4, that's 1. So negative 2Q, no, 2Q.
Negative 2Q will be equal to 1. Q will be equal to 1 by 2 then.
So then 2Q would basically be 2.
Will be 1, ma.
How, wait,
You said 1, right?
yeah.
Hmm.
No, like I'm saying I put 5 in for P for the second equation.
Hmm.
That's minus 4. That's 1. But then we also have, so then we put 1 into Q. Then what does the 2Q do? Like, doesn't it multiply the 1? Or whatever value you put in for Q?
You put in the value for P, find out Q. You substitute the value for P as 1 means you are going to find out what Q value is.
Okay.
Meaning, no. If you didn't get it, you'd ask. P
I
minus 2q equal to 4. You're going to put in the value for the table is going to have P and Q, correct? You're putting
Yeah.
1 here, right? 1
Yeah.
minus 2q equal to 4. Subtract 1 on both sides. Minus 2q equal to what? 3,
3.
correct? So
Okay.
q will be equal to what?
3.
No, 2 minus 2q, right? First remove the minus 2. How will you remove the minus 2? Divide by minus 2, divide by minus 2. So the
1.5.
minus 2 will go, q will be equal to minus 1.5. Got it?
Okay. Yeah, I got
Like
it.
that, draw two tables, one table for this one table for this one. Draw both the graph. Tell me the intersection point.
Okay, got it.
Miss Priya, for the first graph, is this right?
First graph means what? What is the equation?
3p plus q equal to 5. The graph, no, the equation I got is 3p minus 5 equal to q.
Correct. So that seems correct.
Okay.
So you're saying equate to q, huh?
Yeah. So is that right or wrong? It's this one.
Which one?
This one. This
Well, first graph, huh?
it's this one down.
Amma, first equation you have graphed or the second equation you have
The
graphed?
second. The second.
Second, what equation did you get?
3p minus 5 equal to q.
That is fine. The
Okay.
second, what is the second equation?
Uh, p minus 4 equal to 2q.
Good. Can you do the graph as well? Just
Okay.
input some values for P, get Q.
Wait, for the first intersection, is this for the first slide graph, is this correct?
That seems right.
Okay.
For the first equation, Amma, for the first equation, did you say P equal to or Q equal to?
I
That's
did.
correct. What are the values you got? Can you tell me, Sripad? What are the
I
table?
got 1 for P and then Q for -2.
Is it like this?
Yeah,
No.
that's not correct.
If you substitute P equal to 1, what happens? Q will be equal to what?
P to 1, Q will be. Wait, I substitute P into. So I substitute P as 1. That's basically like 3 minus.
Sripad, we are working on the first equation. Don't switch. If you substitute P equal to 1, what happens?
It's just. It's like 3 only.
Okay. Then 3 plus Q equal to 5. What happens next?
You have to. You have to subtract 3 to both sides.
Okay, so what happens? Well, Q will be equal to
2.
2. How did you get a minus 2? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, please proceed like this. Plot both the graphs for me quick.
Okay.
Miss Priya, is my second graph correct?
Second graph. I need to see, wait. Second graph, what is the equation?
P minus 2q equal to 4. I got p minus 4 equal to 2q.
Correct.
Okay.
P minus 4 equal to 2q is correct.
Yeah. And then
So it'll be P minus 4 divided by 2 basically. So P minus 4 divided by 2, now that, yeah, that seems correct.
okay.
Keep going. I want the intersection.
Oh. Miss Priya, can you help me with the intersection part?
Draw both the lines. Draw both the lines as a graph.
Oh, like both of the lines together?
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Wait, is this graph correct?
For which one, ma?
First one.
First one. You took Q as Y, yeah? Did you take Q as Y?
Yeah.
That seems correct. Can you show me once more? That seems correct. Try the second one.
Okay.
Miss Priya, is this
1 minute more. What is that, Adyan? Show me.
did I get it right?
Adyan, wait, Adyan. Somewhere something is wrong.
Oh,
See, Shripad, can you show me the first graph? Yeah, that graph is correct. First graph is correct. Adyan, go ahead with the second graph. Adyan, can you show me yours?
you said that I had to like do the line crossing thing, like the
Yeah,
intercept.
intersection. Yeah, but show me the first line that you drew. You should have drawn 2 lines, right? Show me the graph.
Oh, I wrote the second one, and then over like the when you said intercept, I wrote the intercept on it.
Okay, ma, did you draw the graph?
Yeah.
Uh-uh. Okay, show me the graph, I'm saying.
Okay. Let me quickly write it down again.
Wait, do I do both equations on the same graph? Like I'm doing both
Yeah,
equations.
both equations on the same graph, yes.
Okay.
Um. This one's the second graph.
First graph, where is the first graph?
The first graph is this one.
Show me properly. That is incorrect, Adyan.
Oh.
The first graph itself seems very incorrect. Can you redo? You get it, guys? I'm going to draw it on the board. I'll wait for another minute and draw it on the board.
Can you, I'm confused, so can you write it for me?
Absolutely, I can do.
Okay. Thank you.
Is the second graph correct? It's
Is that seems right. Yes. So what is the intersection point?
the intersection point is negative 2 and negative 1.
Oh wow. Negative
2
2 and negative 1. Correct. Good job.
Wait, negative 2? I said 2 and negative 1.
You tell me which is correct. Then I'll tell you.
2 and negative 1 is correct.
Correct. That's correct. Good job.
Thank you.
Did you understand the concept of graphing linear systems?
Yeah, I understood.
That is, what is the graphing linear systems? 2 and negative 1. Make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Adyan, I'll tell you how to graph it. Okay, for the first one, I'm going to draw a table between x and y. Okay, I will have -2, maybe 0, 1. If I substitute -2 in here, what happens? It becomes 11. If I substitute 0 in x, it becomes 5. If I substitute 1, it becomes 2. Correct?
Oh, I keep switching the numbers on accident.
-2 is 11. -2 is 11. I can't plot. 0, 0, 0, if I substitute 0 for the first one, right? If I substitute 0, y becomes a 5. 0, y becomes a 5. This is the point. Got it?
Yeah.
Second one, 1 becomes a 2. 1 becomes a 2. Got it? 2
Yeah.
points, I drew the graph. For the second one, I need to be able to again draw one another table with xy. You put -2, 0, 1, plug it in and see -2 minus 4 by 2 is a -6 by 2, which is a -3. If you plug in the 0 in the x, it becomes -2. 1 in the x, 1 minus 3 by 2. It's what?
-1.
-1. But all are negatives, right? Let me have one positive. Put a 5 there, then it's 0.5. Got it? Now, -2, -3. Yes, this is the point. 0, -2. 2 points are enough. Just draw the line. The intersection point is 2, -1.
Yeah, I know where I messed up. I accidentally switched the I accidentally did 3p minus 5 equal to q.
Yes.
I switched the
Yeah,
5 and
I see it. I see it. Now you got it?
yeah.
Okay, guys. So I'll stop here, guys. We just did graphing linear functions.
Okay.
Make sense? Graphing meaning linear system of equations we graphed and solved. Next week I'll solve using substitution and elimination. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, Adyan. See you next week, Adyan. Have a nice week ahead. Shripad, I want to talk to you for a minute.
Thank you too.
Yeah, Ma. Bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Shripad, did you